What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some text effect tutorial on video editor Capcut. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Then click on text templates. As you can see, there are cool different text templates. Exactly this one. Template, put it right there. If you want, you can change it. To anything you like. Mom's lover, anything you can change it, but basically you can't change the color, you can't change the font. So that's it all about text templates. There are a bunch of templates here. You can see also this one. There are a bunch of templates. 8 o'clock in the morning. If you are doing vlog, you want to put the time out there, you can put it. This one also. This one also. As you can see, if you play it, you can see it's blinking. So they have some very cool text templates and also subtitle. Wow, this one makes sense. Swag. Let's play it. You can see, you can put it here on your videos also. So they are cool templates, and also there's also like news templates. Where is it? News templates. You can put it right below of your video, which makes it looks great. So whichever one you like, put it out there. Next one is add text. So let's add some text. Example 1. Example 1. You can put it. You can play with the fonts. Load it and be like this. Whichever color you prefer, you can put it. So can see, which makes sense. So the stroke also, can increase the thickness of the stroke. You can see, you can increase it, you can also decrease it. For the background, see, you can change the color to whichever one you like. Also the shadow, before you can use the shadow, you have to off the background. You have the background, the shadow, put it, you can increase it, increase the opacity or not. For the palette, you can space it out, you can bring it back in. Body italic, if you want to underline it, or bold, I don't know what this is called, like slash or something, but whichever one you prefer. And also there are fronts here. As you can see, fronts are changing. Example 1. Whichever font you like, put it in there. You can reduce it. So there are also effects. You can see, just click on it to change everything entirely. at whichever font you prefer. Wow, this one looks kind of cool, so whichever one you prefer. And for the animation, waving animation, this, if you increase this, you make it more longer, like for the intro, see, it's more longer. But if you reduce the time, it will come up very fast on your video. So you don't want that, you can put it in the middle right here, so it kind of looks cool. And also, so there are a bunch of animation templates here also you can play with, like spring, like this, can you see, which makes sense. You can decrease that too, this one also. So as these animation templates have in, they also have out, so you can see. Wow, makes sense. So whichever animation template you want, you put it right in there. And also, if you want loop, if you want it to stay there, so you can see, you can make it fast, you can make it fast, you can make it slow. Now it's slow, now it's very fast. So, and wavy, there are a bunch of animation templates here, you choose the one you like. So let's go to stickers. There are a whole bunch, lot of stickers here. So these are smileys. You can see a whole bunch. There's also like button, subscribe button, follow button, stickers here. Let's put it right there, stickers. So please subscribe. So there are bunch of stickers here, templates, a lot of templates that you will like, and also an arrow button, a bunch of stickers here. So, and for your stickers, you can make it, you can also do animation on it. So this one also in, make it fast or make it slow, which makes it look cool. And also there's outro, can increase the, that's it, so it makes it look so cool. So that would be. And also, in case that you are showing one step to your viewers and you want to go to the next step, you don't have to go all through putting front together, putting the color. All you just have to do is you press on this, press on copy, then you shift it to the next step you are talking about. Shift it to the next step you are talking about. All you just have to do is click on it and change it to example 2. So example 2, that would be 8. Example 2, open 1, the next one will be example 2. So that's pretty much about everything on text effects. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Peace out.